In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 best premium Shopify themes of 2024. We've personally used these themes in our client stores and helped them get some amazing results. So let's not waste any time and get started. First theme on our list is none other than the Debutify theme. This is probably the best premium theme available for Shopify, and it also has a free plan for new store owners. This theme provides super fast loading speed, along with full customization and seamless integration options. Not to mention the conversion-boosting add-ins that can increase the overall conversion rate of your store by 30%. This theme is a sales powerhouse and a trust builder. If you're an entrepreneur aiming to boost sales and establish trust effortlessly, Debutify is your best friend. Offering features and psychological triggers like one-click upsells, scarcity timers, and trust badges, it's tailored for enhancing conversions of a store. This theme has over 9,000 reviews on Trustpilot, with an overall rating of 4.6. Most of the reviews talk about its top-quality customer support. The only downside of this theme is that it's a little bit costly, and you may get some affordable alternatives to this theme in the future. According to a study by Debutify, implementing trust badges can increase conversions by up to 32%. It's an ideal choice for new businesses seeking quick growth and increased credibility. So, if you are running a general store or a dropshipping store, you should give this a try. And you can get a 14-day free trial of all of its premium features using the first link which is given in the video description. With that note, let's talk about the second theme. Next theme on our list is the Shrine theme. If you are running a one-product store, this theme can be your go-to choice. This is currently the highest converting Shopify theme. Many dropshippers and one-product store owner are currently using this theme. This theme provides simple yet high-converting store design. It's easy to set up and also comparatively new in the market. Unlike Debutify, this theme only charges a one-time fee. This theme has 3 different versions that cost between $49 to $350. But I won't say that this theme is all sunshine and rainbows. The support team is good, and this theme provides awesome features. However, it is only suitable for one product store. Adding another product is almost impossible on this theme. There are many technical difficulties that people have faced while using this theme. On top of that, this theme doesn't have any free trial or a money-back guarantee. Despite all of these issues, the reviews of these themes are amazing. Many dropshippers recommend this theme, and as I said, this theme has the best conversion rate, which can't be neglected. If you want to try this theme, we do have a coupon code for you in the description of this video. Alright, let's talk about the next theme now. The third theme on our list is the Ella theme. This is our go-to choice for fashion stores. Whenever we get a client who wants to design their fashion or clothing store, we recommend this theme to them. Ella theme is like having a fashion-forward boutique online. It offers a modern and stylish design, complete with eye-catching visuals and customizable features. With its responsive layout and intuitive navigation, Ella theme ensures your customers have a seamless shopping experience. More than 37,000 store owners are using this theme, and it has got over 1,100 positive reviews. It contains more than 50 pre-made templates and child themes that you can directly import on your Shopify store. Since more than 50% of all e-commerce sales are coming from mobile devices, it's important to use a theme that is fully mobile optimized. Luckily, Ella theme provides mobile-first designs with advanced mega menu and filter options. Not to mention the advanced product page features it contains. Since these features are included in the theme itself, you don't need to add extra apps and lines of codes into your store, which ultimately results in a fast and smooth online store. We are still using this theme for designing fashion stores for our clients, and we'll keep using it in the future as well. We really like its affordability and customer support, and we highly recommend it to every fashion brand. The fourth theme on our list is the Turbo theme. The Turbo Shopify theme from Out of the Sandbox is a really good and fancy theme for online stores. People like it because it makes stores look nice, works fast, and has its style. It's great for making a website that stands out and makes customers happy. It's easy to use because it loads quickly and looks good, especially on phones. The best thing about Turbo is that it makes the website work better and faster, which is essential because customers don't want to wait long for pages to load. Also, this Turbo theme has excellent features that can make customers even happier. For example, there are quick links at the bottom of every page, so customers can easily contact the team if they have any questions without having to search the whole website. No matter what you're selling, Turbo is a good fit for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're just starting with a small range of products or a big company with hundreds or even thousands of items, Turbo Theme suits larger businesses with extensive product catalogs, ensuring smooth functionality and an appealing website layout. Opting for Turbo guarantees a straightforward, user-friendly, and high-performing website, incorporating the latest features for an enhanced experience. In terms of loading speed, Turbo Theme achieves a performance score of 90 on desktops and a commendable 73 on mobile devices, showcasing its efficiency. Overall, this is a great theme when we look at the features. But when it comes to pricing, we personally think that this is a bit overpriced theme. With that note, let's move on to our last theme, which is none other than the Booster theme. Now, I might sound a bit biased or salesy, but trust me, this is undoubtedly the best Shopify theme right now. I've personally used this theme on multiple client stores, and it has gotten amazing results. This theme is basically a complete package of all the 4 themes that we mentioned earlier in this video. Just like Debutify, Booster theme also offers conversion-boosting add-ins to their customers. This theme is super fast and responsive like Turbo theme, and it is also one of the best converting Shopify theme like the Shrine theme. Not to mention the pre-made templates that will help you design your store in little or no time. With its visually stunning design elements, customizable sections, and attention-grabbing animations, Booster caters to those wanting their store to stand out in a crowded market. More than 46,000 store owners use this theme and get amazing results. This theme contains all 14 psychological triggers that persuade a person to buy something, which is why we love and recommend this theme to our clients. The best part? Booster theme provides pre-made and conversion-optimized templates to its users, which means after installing their theme, you can simply install one of their templates and launch your store in less than an hour. Not to mention that this theme comes up with a one-time fee and a 14-day money-back guarantee. So, it's completely risk-free to use this theme. Booster theme is also providing an exclusive 10% discount to our viewers. To avail the discount, simply use the link which is given in the video description, and then use this coupon code during checkout. Even if you don't want to purchase the theme, you should still visit their website. You'll find a conversion-optimized e-commerce store checklist on their website. It's totally free. You can implement this checklist and optimize your store for high conversions. These 5 themes are the most recommended Shopify themes. And I have also created step-by-step tutorials on these themes. I will leave the tutorial links in the video description so that you can follow them while creating your store. Also, if you want to get additional discounts on your purchase, then make sure to use the links and coupons that are given in the video description. These links are affiliate links, which will provide you the latest discount on these themes. And if you have any questions or queries, feel free to ask us in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video.